End of the week, it's not just your body that feels tight, it's your mind. You've been powering through, pushing forward, but at what cost? Today, we don't just chase intensity, we choose restoration. Let's hit the mat. Start standing with your feet a little wider than hips. Drop down into a deep squat, elbows inside your knees, palms together. Gently rock side to side and let the hips open like a door you forgot was locked. This isn't about how deep you go, it's about what you're willing to release. I promise this move decompresses the hips, resets your lower back, and brings blood flow back to your legs after days of sitting. Beginners, keep your heels slightly elevated or use a block. Advanced stretches, press your knees outward with your elbows and sink deeper. Most people avoid this position, but avoiding tension doesn't heal it. Five more seconds. Breathe into the resistance. That just opened your hips. Now let's stretch what's been stuck all week. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge and knees over ankle, back knee relaxed on the ground. Sink your hips down and forward. Feel the stretch through your left hip flexor. Switch sides after 30 seconds. All week, your hips have been quietly holding stress, like a sponge soaking it all up. This is a release. I promise this opens the front of your hips, improves posture, and helps reduce lower back tension. Beginners, keep both hands on your front thigh. Advanced, raise your arms or add gentle twist towards your front knee. Do you feel that length? That's your body remembering how it's meant to move. Hold 5 more seconds. That has freed your foundation. Now we'll smooth the back line. Come to a seated position, legs extended straight. Inhale tall, then exhale. Hinge at the hips and fold forward. Let your spine round, let your shoulders go, let your breath guide the depth. You're not forcing the stretch, you're surrendering into it. I promise this decompresses the nervous system, lengthens the hamstrings, and teaches your body to receive rest. Beginners, bend your knees. Advanced, point your toes back towards you and reach past your feet. Here's the truth bomb. Flexibility isn't about being bendy, it's about being present. Breathe deeper. 5 more seconds. That just calms your entire back body. Now we move to where tension hides quietly. Sit or stand tall. Drop your left ear to your left shoulder, then slowly tilt right. Keep taking deep, mindful breaths. Your neck carries every glance, every no. Just push through it. I promise this releases hidden tension in the traps, calms your nervous system, and softens your jaw. Beginners, keep your shoulders relaxed. Advanced, try gently pressing the opposite hand toward the floor for a deeper pull. Did you know that chronic neck tightness can cause eye fatigue and even low-grade headaches? Let's go. 5 more seconds each side. That just resets your upper chain. Now let's end light and mobile. Take a seat or stay standing. Circle your wrists, then your ankles. Change directions every 15 seconds. Make it smooth, fluid, gentle. This final minute is about reminding your body that small things matter. I promise this wakes up your nervous system, improves blood flow, and primes your joints for the day ahead. Beginners or advanced, doesn't matter. This move meets you where you are. Let's play a little game. Can you slow it down even more? Make each circle controlled, intentional. You've got 5 more seconds. That just realigned your edges. Now let's bring it all together.